We knew that Sandy was a serious matter. It was behaving very strangely. Everybody talked about it being a superstorm.
A large number of people in the Mid-Atlantic and Northeastern states could experience either hurricane.
We also felt comfortable in that we'd been through hurricanes before. We were downtown New York. Hurricanes had never done anything in terms of interrupting our service, interrupting the way we did business. What happened was just absolutely unheard of. Our company is situated in downtown Manhattan. We're right in the middle of the financial district. We've been here for over 30 years in the area. We've always been concerned about retaining and saving our data. We had a lesson from 9/11. We were down here and we were without power for a number of weeks. That's why we elected to use Access Backup for off-site data storage. We felt very comfortable with that. As the full extent of Sandy became known in the area, and particularly downtown, I sent an email to Keith Phillips, who is my partner, and let him know. And the email basically just said to him, they are cutting off the electric, we are going dark. The surge came in over the East River and the water came up to our building. The next day, I was upstate. One, I called our phone company and had them forward all incoming calls to my cell phone. And the second thing I did was to contact Access Backup, knowing that we had Access Backup and using Access Backup to allow us to continue to service our clients and to stay in business was absolutely critical. We've looked at a number of other off-site data providers and recovery backup companies. What we have with Access Backup is knowing that if we have an internet connection and a computer, we can continue to access our data and basically continue to run our office until our new server is working. Access Backup's emphasis on working with insurance agencies is very, very important. You need someone who has expertise, who's aware of what an insurance agent does and needs. We call, we have questions, we get responses, we get solutions. When Sandy hit, and people were in distress, and our clients were in distress, and they needed help, they needed advice, they had questions, they expected to reach us. You have to think about that beforehand. You cannot wait for a disaster and then go, how am I going to service my clients? With all the anxiety, with all the worry, with everything that we had to be concerned about, knowing that we could at least continue our business in terms of servicing our clients and being able to respond to them was incredibly critical. As bad a disaster as it was, it would have been that much worse for us without Access Backup.